What's going on, guys? Welcome to the set of CJ's first cooking show. I'm gonna do a Elvis French toast PB&B sandwich.
PB&B.
There's no J. It's an extra B because of the bacon.
And it's on BB.
Brioche bun?
Brioche bread.
That too.
It's a
so
Elvis PBB.
Ed says, truly terrible video. Nice
warm French toast
and hot and extra creamy.
Shut your mouth. Mummy?
Oh, yeah! This is a winner all freaking day. You guys gotta try this. I didn't have to go to grandma's. My mother loved me more than yours does. The milk?
Milk.
We're all saying milk, Josh.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Dang it.
Ethan, give it. Did you eat paint chips as a kid?
Why?
So come on, everyone, it's the day.